This video is about the easy ways to build wealth with $0. Building wealth is a goal that many of us aspire to achieve, but it often seems like an unattainable dream. The common misconception is that accumulating wealth requires a large sum of money to start with. However, what if I told you that you can build wealth with absolutely no money up front? Yes. My name is Darius. Welcome to Personal Finance Insights, the channel that helps you make sense of your money. Our engaging and informative videos cover everything from the basics of budgeting and saving to the intricacies of investing and building wealth. Please note that our content is for educational purposes only, and we encourage you to seek the advice of a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. In this video, we will explore a proven strategy that allows you to build wealth from scratch without needing any initial capital. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of how to kickstart your journey to financial abundance. So, let's dive in. The first step in building wealth with $0 is to harness the power of knowledge. Education is key to opening doors and opportunities. In this digital age, there are countless resources available at your fingertips that can help you learn and grow. From online courses to informative blogs and YouTube tutorials, you can gain valuable knowledge on a wide range of subjects. By dedicating time to self-education, you can acquire the skills and expertise needed to create your own opportunities. Once you have acquired the knowledge, it's time to put it into action. One of the easiest ways to build wealth with no money is through entrepreneurship. Start by identifying your passion or a problem that needs solving. Think about how you can leverage your skills and expertise to offer a valuable product or service. With the power of the internet, you can set up an online business with minimal costs. Remember, I am not saying it's going to be easy, but you only find what you seek. Create a website or utilize social media platforms to reach your target audience. By providing value and delivering exceptional customer service, you can gradually grow your business and generate income. If you are gaining knowledge from this video, subscribe now and start your journey to financial freedom. Another avenue to build wealth with $0 is by tapping into the gig economy. Platforms such as freelancing websites, ride-sharing apps, and online marketplaces offer opportunities to earn money on a flexible basis. If you have a particular skill or talent, you can offer your services to clients worldwide. Whether it's graphic design, writing, coding, or even providing virtual assistance, there is a demand for various skills in the gig economy. By freelancing or taking up side gigs, you can start earning money immediately, which can be invested to build your wealth over time. Investing is a crucial aspect of wealth building, and even with no money, you can get started. One of the easiest ways to invest with $0 is through micro-investing platforms. These apps allow you to invest small amounts of money into diversified portfolios or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. By regularly contributing even small sums, you can gradually build a portfolio that grows over time. Additionally, some platforms offer roundup features that automatically invest your spare change from everyday purchases. This hands-off approach to investing is perfect for those with limited initial capital. Here are some examples of apps you can use. Acorns. Acorns allows you to invest your spare change by rounding up everyday purchases and investing the difference. It also offers pre-built portfolios based on your investment goals. Stash. Stash offers fractional investing, allowing you to buy fractional shares of stocks and ETFs for as little as $5. It provides themed investment options to help you align your investments with your interests. Robinhood. Robinhood is a commission-free trading platform that enables you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. It has a user-friendly interface and offers fractional shares as well. And many more. These apps make investing accessible with small amounts of money, allowing you to gradually grow your portfolio and participate in the wealth building process, even if you have limited initial capital. If you want more list of recommended apps, leave a comment below. Lastly, Building wealth with $0 requires a mindset shift. It's essential to adopt a frugal lifestyle and prioritize saving. Cut down on unnecessary expenses and live below your means. By practicing mindful spending, you can save money that can be allocated towards investments or future business endeavors. Embrace the concept of delayed gratification and focus on long-term financial goals. Remember, wealth is not built overnight, but through consistent efforts and smart financial choices. Final thoughts. Building wealth with $0 is entirely possible. By leveraging the power of knowledge, embracing entrepreneurship, tapping into the gig economy, investing through micro-investing platforms, and adopting a frugal mindset, you can set yourself on the path to financial abundance. Remember, the key lies in taking action and staying committed to your goals. Building wealth is a journey, and it starts with a single step. So, start today, and let the power of your determination and resourcefulness propel you towards the life of financial freedom you deserve. Thank you for watching Personal Finance Insights. We hope you found our videos informative and valuable in your financial journey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to helping you make sense of your money.